Hi everyone, welcome to Discover the Fun. Today we are making these cute little mermaid tails. The theme of the week for story time is mermaids, so we're making some tails today. We don't need a whole lot for supplies. We need a little triangular piece of paper plate, some construction paper circles, like a scrap piece of construction paper to cut a fin. I've already cut my fin out, glue, and a stapler. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you can, when you watch to the end, I will give you your summer reading event code and you can put it in and earn some points for summer reading. Let's get started. Alright, I have all my supplies and I'm ready to go. So the first thing we'll do is glue some circles onto our paper plate. These are like the scales. And instead of gluing them one by one, I just made sure that I had my circles ready and glued the whole paper plate. You can definitely glue them one by one, but this is a little faster, so I'm going to do that. You might have to reapply some glue, but that's okay. That's doable. Okay, now I have my circles the way I want them. I'm going to put on my fin. So I've already made my fin out of scrap construction paper, but you can draw one and then make it yourself. So this is where my stapler comes in. I'm going to staple my fin to the tail. And there we go, we're all done. So that's what it will look like when you're all finished. Your summer reading event code is Books with Tails. BOOKSWITHTAILS. Books with Tails. Because mermaids have tails, so Books with Tails is your summer reading event code. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.